Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I channelized an energy and I thought I'll make a video on it. The topic for today's video is a whole cult is going down. Now this is a channelized message for the collective. It may or may not relate to you, but I can sense that a karmic cycle is ending for a divine being. Now this karmic cycle could have gone on for quite a long period of time. I'm sensing 13, 14, or even 15 years for that matter. Quite a long period of time. In case you didn't know, 2025, which adds up to the number 9, is considered to be the year of ending of these cycles, these toxic, dangerous karmic cycles for people who operate in their divine energy, people who have had to tolerate bullying, abuse, a lot of nonsense actually. Numerical logically, if you add up 2025, it leads to the number 9, and the number 9 is the number which relates to endings. I am sensing that a whole cult, and especially people who have been harassing or bullying an earth angel. Now this could be you, whoever is listening to this video, it could be you, or it could be someone connected to you, someone who has a very divine, soft earth angel energy, has been harassed for quite a long period of time, more than a decade actually. Now this whole cult is being forced out of this earth angel's energy. I can sense sudden transformations. I'm sensing that there could definitely be a death of a cult leader that's going to happen. Now this cult leader could have been someone heavily into black magic, perhaps into the occult for sure. The people who belong to this cult or this group, it might not really be a cult, this could be a small group, but I'm not sensing it's that small. There are at least a couple of, I would say, more than 10 people. There are definitely quite a lot of people who have been involved in this kind of, it's kind of giving the energy of group harassment, gang stalking, bullying for sure, narcissistic energy. Now, these people have the energy of throwing stones but then hiding their hands. They have been involved into surreptitious, perhaps even illegal activities. And these people were bothered by this divine person, this earth angel energy, and perhaps this earth angel wanted to expose these people's wrongdoings or something. I don't know, something is going on. Something has went on for quite a long period of time. And these hypocritical, narcissistic people, these bullies, I would say, I am not here to diagnose someone because I am not really a mental health practitioner or something. I'm not a doctor, but I can sense that someone in this group has a very high psychopathy. They definitely rank high in the psychopathy, that scale. It could be the leader who was egging these people on. Now you have to remember that bullying doesn't really have to happen in person. I'm sensing that they could have been 1 or 2 people who were the leaders and other people who were enabling the bully. So these people could have been paid off to harass, this particular innocent person or this innocent person's family. I hope it's making sense. Now, this group, this cult, I'm sensing, yes, they have been into black magic as well. Some serious rituals, and these rituals have been done for quite a while and they are regular. This kind of cult-like behavior has been I would say these rituals which are quite satanic in nature. And the reason why I'm stuttering a little bit in this channeling in this video is because I have a feeling that someone doesn't really want me to share this message, but I don't care. I'm going to talk about it. Now, this group of people, at least 10 or even more than 10, could be 12 to 15 people, they have grouped together to perform rituals regularly, especially on weekends. I sense this weekend energy. So, Saturdays and Sundays, they have grouped together and they've done all of this nonsense. They could be like, it could be a whole community of people, it could be neighbors, it could be some sort of religious cult, you never know. There are a lot of weird people in this world, and they have been gang stalking someone, that divine innocent person. They have been gang stalking for more, I would say, for more than 10 years. So now if this message doesn't relate to you, if you're not able to relate to the message, that's fine. You can skip this video, because this is it's a very specific message for someone. It might not relate to you, but there could be someone who kind of finds relief from this message, because I can sense that this whole group, they have been getting karmically punished because Lord Saturn is not happy with them. In fact, since I'm talking about the year 2025, this is the year of, I would say, the year of endings, the year of cancellations. But 2024, the year before this, was the year of karma. So you could have seen a lot of even celebrities, they were exposed for being very shitty human beings. Now 2025 is the year where it's so the karmic punishments had already started for these evil people in 2024, but 2025 is when a lot of nonsense is ending. These karmic cycles are ending. And even though this entire group or this cult or whoever these people are, they might not really want to stop their bullying, but I am sensing that Lord Saturn is so angry at them, okay, and he is one by one giving these punishments, handing their karmic punishments one by one. So in a way, even though that this group does not really want to leave this innocent person alone, this divine human being alone, this earth angel alone, these people, I mean the bullies, they have to stop, because they would be surrounded by so much chaos in their own life because of their own bad karma, their own karmic punishments. They will be bombarded by one problem after the other. Now this problem could relate to their health, to their finances. It could even be death. I'm telling you, I'm sensing this very strong death energy, especially for the cult leader, or at least some people in the group. Someone could really die. It could happen in this year itself. And I'm telling you, Lord Saturn, the god of the Hindu god of the Hindu god of karma, justice, Lord Saturn, isn't really happy with this group, because I'm sensing that the divine did warn these people. The divine has constantly warned these people to stop harassing innocent people. But I'm telling you, sometimes a lot of evil-minded human beings, they are very stubborn. And they feel that karma is not real, when in reality, karma is the biggest, I would say, one of the biggest spiritual realities. It's one of the biggest spiritual laws. So what a lot of people do is that they play with the dark side of spirituality, which includes dark magic, occult and all of that. But they refuse to believe that karma, which is actually the biggest spiritual law, has a role in everything. And the divine sees everything. And no matter how much you try to hide your wrongdoings, it will always come to light. Now this entire cult, they have a hierarchy. I'm getting a very interesting message about, it's almost like a sorority. They have rules. So these are bullies, right? They have a hierarchy. So there's a cult leader, and then there are juniors, and then eventually the lowest of the rung. Now, to enter this cult or to become a part of this group, you have to become a bully yourself. And as I said, it's a cult which has a hierarchy, right? So maybe there were people in the group that were not really high up, but they were enabling the abuse and bullying. Maybe it's people in the lower rungs of the hierarchy, they were not really wanting to join the abuse, or you know, maybe they started feeling bad, but they gave in eventually because a lot of money was involved. So they were bribed, or they became greedy, and they were gang stalking this divine individual. I am sensing that Lord Saturn was giving them warnings, back off from this divine individual, don't harass him or her or whoever this is. But these people, they were so drunk on their greed, lust, all of the seven sins, and they were so heady with their own power and mind games that they did not stop. I am sensing that there were constant attacks on the life force of this divine person. It's kind of like destiny swapping, but more like energy leeching. There was deliberate use of rituals and black magic to kind of leech the youthful or the sacral energy. It doesn't really have to be youthful, but the sacral energy of someone. So the person who's listening to this video who has a divine energy, you could have a very strong sacral chakra energy. There were attempts of energy harvesting. So in the movie Monsters Inc., if you've seen that movie, the innocent energy of those children, they were being harvested. Their fear, that energy was being harvested. If you haven't seen that movie, please do. It's almost the same concept of energy harvesting. And this entire group, they were doing the most. They were perhaps even recording or stalking or gang stalking. I don't know what was going on, but a lot of creepy stuff was happening. And these people did not want this innocent person, this divine person, to even get into a healthy relationship and even move away. So they wanted this person around, but they were keeping a check on this person's life. So almost like 24/7 gang stalking. 24/7 using of rituals and harassment and all of that. There definitely was some sort of satanic stuff that was going on. The main signs for this reading, I would say, are Libra, Pisces, Aquarius, Gemini, Scorpio, and Virgo. So the harassment and this whole abuse was only done to constantly keep a person trapped due to occult reasons. Maybe some sort of freezing magic was used, or jar magic could have been used. All of that, this deliberate attempt to traumatize or keep a person traumatized over the years, all of that is breaking down. Heavy karmic punishments are being, one by one, they are being laid out. They are being put on this entire group, especially 2-3 people for sure. And I'm sensing someone could actually either unalight themselves, or they might die or something. And this will definitely scare off the others. If they still haven't stopped their nonsense, they will realize. I think by now, I think they have started to feel the intensity of their karmic punishments somewhere, because this entire group, even though they are stubborn, they're not really that foolish. They have recognized that maybe, perhaps they shouldn't have harassed this divine person. All right. So I'll tell you what are the main, I would say the main karmic punishments that I'm sensing for this entire group. Because Lord Saturn is definitely, and I'm repeating it again, Lord Saturn, or Shanidev as they call Lord Saturn in Hindi, he's very angry at these clouds. The punishments could be that the bad karma is being reflected in their day-to-day work. They could be having constant delays in their projects. They could be constantly waiting for results. They could have used certain demonic or satanic entities to haunt or harass this divine innocent person, or if there were multiple divine people who were being harassed by this group. Now those entities are now haunting these cult people, the evil people. And This is also because, a lot of times humans don't realize that the portals that they're opening by using black magic or any kind of occult activity, there's definitely a portal that they're opening, which consists of demonic entities and satanic stuff. Now that they've opened it because they're using black magic or whatever it is that they're doing, these entities, they might come according to, maybe a human being has invoked those entities, but the human is then not able to send those entities back, because those entities will now use the human who is using black magic or these rituals. They'll use those entities will use the humans to like become like a host. So it's almost as if the human being, because of his or her bad karma and bad activities, evil activities, has become a host for that entity. And they will be traumatized. I can definitely sense that these evil people were trying to traumatize innocent people, but now they themselves are getting haunted, traumatized. Their house could be haunted. Some of them could actually be sleeping with their lights on. Literally, I'm not even kidding. They could be hearing sounds which to them might seem like schizophrenia, but actually it's more like entity possession. And I'm telling you, death. I can see these evil people surrounded by the energy of death. Someone is going to die. Either there could be dying because of some illness, or it could be sudden accidents. This entire group actually is now terrified. I don't know why they had this delusion that they would never get their karmic punishments, but now they have recognized that the Grim Reaper is coming for them. And it's almost like it's tale as old as time. Because people who operate in this evil energy, satanic energy, they have this arrogance. They feel that they'll never have to face the karmic consequences of their own bad behavior. In Hindu mythology, religious mythology, there was a character called Ravan. Ravan was very educated. He was very powerful, very spiritual also. But he had to die because he was very arrogant. He was not willing to accept his flaws. Now, this entire group, this cult or whatever, their foundation is definitely breaking down. And I think it's been 2 years since, 2024 was very tough for them, but this year it's actually going to be very dangerous for them. I'm also sensing that if these people were into, let's say, some sort of heavy crimes, could be trafficking or illegal activities, some of them could also get arrested. And they're going to face major egg on their face. One of the reasons why these people, even though they were getting karmically punished, they were constantly harassing divine individuals, innocent people, is because they were possessed by these entities that, they had opened the portals and they were doing black magic. And those entities wanted these evil people to just fuck off from this earth, pardon my French. These entities were actually harming these evil people themselves. So it's almost like, it's like everything that they've done it's kind of a backlash for them. The divine has constantly protected the innocent people here. Whoever, if you are the one who has been harassed, I feel really bad for you. And I have a lot of empathy for you. I've gone through all of that. And I can sense how helpless you can feel. But I'm sensing that now you have recognized that the divine is definitely protecting you. There has been strong divine protection. It's also interesting because you are karma for these people. Whoever is able to relate to this video, the soft, innocent, angelic, earth angel individual, you have been able to show these clowns, these evil clowns, that God is real. And the divine is definitely protecting you and your family members and your loved ones. Another message that I'm getting is that these evil cult members don't really have much time left. They better start praying for their souls. If they're not religious, well, I really don't know what to say. Even if they are spiritual, I'm sensing they definitely don't care about the light part. They are dabbling in stuff that they shouldn't have been dabbling in. They will surely end up in hell because they have sold their souls. They made a pact with the devil to come after innocent people, and they really shouldn't have, because the fact that you have to recognize the fact that the devil lives in hell. The devil doesn't live in heaven like conditions, right? So if you're making a pact with the devil, your life will become hell, and which is what is happening to these people, and that is their karmic punishment. So I hope this video was somewhat helpful for you. If you have gone through harassment, you have to know that this is the year when all of that is going to stop. These evil people will be forced out of your energy. So all you need to do is just pray to the divine to keep your loved ones protected, and just keep being you. Be authentic in your expression, and just have faith in the divine. That's all. And you can thank Lord Saturn, because Lord Saturn has definitely seen everything that has, every wrong action that was taken against you. All of that is now being punished. So that's it for this video. If you did like the message, to hit the like button, to subscribe to my channel. And I'll try to be more regular, because I was a bit busy with preoccupied with other stuff, but I will try to be more regular with my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Take care.